Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short video, we will look at a common interview SQL question was asked for data analyst role. The question was, how do you use a case statement to calculate the sum of positive and the negative numbers separately? So let's jump right in. For that, let's go ahead and create a database. So I'll be using a Snowflake's database. All right, so first we need to create a database. I do not have a database in Snowflake, so let's go ahead and create a database. Let's name this database as temp. All right, so database has been created. Let's use this temp database. Right, so inside this database, we're going to create a table called a transaction. Let's go ahead and create a table. Let's name this table as, let's give the name of one number. Okay, inside this numbers, we'll create two columns, ID and amount. Give this data type, number. Let's execute this query. All right, so the numbers table has been created successfully. Let's go ahead and add some sample values in it. Insert to numbers. Let's give the name of the columns. Let's add some values. So we are going to add some positive and the negative values for the amount in this column. Okay, let's add two more records. All right, let's go ahead and execute this query. All right, so we have successfully added 6 records in it. Let's see the table. Let's start from numbers. So as you can see, we have two different columns, ID and the amount. When you see the amount column, you see uh, we have added some positive and the negative numbers. So total we have 6 records. So let's go ahead and execute this query to calculate sum of positive and the negative numbers. So let's write the SQL query using case statement, right? So select sum. Let's add the condition when amount is greater than 0, then return amount, else 0, and end. Let's give this alias as total positive. Let's add one more case statement. When amount is less than 0, then return amount, else 0, end. Let's give the alias total negative from numbers. Right, so we have written the case statement. We have added some function. Inside some function, we are using a case statement. So the case statement checks each row in the amount column. If the amount is greater than 0, it adds to the total of positive numbers. If the amount is less than 0, it adds to the total of negative numbers. So if the condition is false, it adds 0. That means nothing changes. So let's go ahead and execute this query and see if we can get the desired result. All right. So as you can see, the total positive numbers, and I mean the amount that we have got is 600, and the total sum of negative numbers is minus 275. Well, this is a very common question in data analyst interview, and it shows your ability to use a conditional logic in SQL, work with aggregate function like sum. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy SQL tips. See you next time. Thank you.